Where are we going? What?
Sure.
I pulled in 15 minutes ago. She was passed out in the middle of the road down.
You have your driver's license on you?
Yes, I do.
Can I have it? And your registration and insurance?
My lawyer's calling me right now.
Oh, fuck, it stinks. You got it, Tom? Sorry.
You know.
Because of how you're acting, and also the 3 wine bottles that we found behind your car. Yeah.
Don't smell urine. Yeah. So, whenever you get a DWI, you arrest someone with DWI, you're allowed to search the vehicle, the entirety of the vehicle, for evidence of intoxication.
Okay.
Liquor bottles, stuff.
5 times over the legal limit. A woman sits behind the wheel, confused, unsteady, and seconds away from disaster. What starts as a drunk driving call turns into one of the most chaotic roadside arrests caught on camera, Union Beach, New Jersey, July 14, 2025. Officers respond to a crash on Campbell Street. Dispatch reports a red sedan slammed into a parked truck at full speed. When they arrive, they find a woman sitting in the driver's seat, airbag deployed, phone in hand, muttering that she just needs to call her lawyer.
How you doing?
Hello.
What's going on?
I'm in Houston.
Okay. Why don't you come out and talk to us real quick?
Wait for my lawyer?
Come out and talk to us. I don't care what you do, but come out and talk to us. Get out of the vehicle.
Notice some bags. You have some bags in the post.
Yeah, I'm not with my NYPD.
Okay, come out of the car, please.
Now.
Car.
6500.
I made a U-turn.
Where are you coming from today?
Can I call my lawyer?
Yeah, that's fine. He's asking you a question, though, if you could answer him. Where are you coming from?
My business.
Where's
Okay.
that at?
You have your driver's license on you?
Yes, I do.
Can I have it? And your registration and insurance?
My lawyer's calling me right now.
She says she's fine, but her speech, her movements, and her stare all tell another story. Asked what happened, she insists someone cut her off. Asked if she's been drinking, she laughs. No, of course not. But when an officer shines his light inside the car, a half-empty vodka bottle sits on the floorboard. Her denial grows louder, her words slur. Every sentence begins with, "I didn't do anything wrong." They ask her to step out for a sobriety test. She hesitates, argues, then stumbles as she exits the car. The walk and turn test ends before it begins.
What happened? Like, what transpired here in your own words?
Look at this. Got another one. Look at this.
She loses balance, bracing against the vehicle. When asked to stand on one leg, she refuses outright. The officers have seen it before. The pattern, the denial, the danger. Her blood alcohol level later tests at 0.41, 5 times the legal limit. She's handcuffed and placed in the patrol car, still yelling, still insisting she's innocent. From inside the car, she demands her phone, her lawyer, her freedom, but the body cam records it all. Her breath, her words, her instability, undeniable evidence. For the first time, her confidence begins to crack. At the station, the truth becomes official. She's charged with driving under the influence, reckless endangerment, and
Probably tow it.
Oh, yeah, but move it maybe for now, but it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much like it's 41 minutes, yeah. Usually it's like if you have like a reason to believe that something's in the car, which for us is like she's bruised.
we take her based on that, or do we need to do a test? Can we take her based on that, or do we need to do a test?
No, I would do it here. Just so it's done. David said he's coming. He's already there. He just had to get changed. That way it's just like...
I don't have crash cards. If you have him a crash card,
Will do.
Witnesses say she was swerving through traffic, running lights, narrowly missing a cyclist moments before the crash. Her defense, I was tired, but fatigue doesn't smell like vodka. At .41, most people lose consciousness. Others don't wake up at all. That night, no one died, but it could have been different. One wrong second, one intersection later, and this story might have ended with a memorial, not an arrest. Sometimes survival is luck. Responsibility, though, that's a choice. She said she just needed her lawyer. But what she really needed was a moment of clarity before she started the car. Because once you turn that key, your choices don't just belong to you. They belong to everyone you might meet on the road.
Also ran a message here.
A little test on you?
No, I'm not finding it.
Okay.
What's going on? What happened today? Getting a little accident? Not yet, not yet, not yet. Stay, stay. Hey, turn around.
stay.
Miss, turn around. Where are we going? What? You okay?
This is what happens.
All right.
I want to
Relax
talk
and
to
see
my
what's going
lawyer.
on first. Well, nothing happened yet, so we're not talking to anybody yet. You want to take some tests and see what's going on?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Well, let's stand up and we'll help you up, okay?
Real footage, real consequences. Subscribe for more real body cam stories. Comment. Do you think the sentence should be harsher for DUI at this level?